So we're going to our predefined drop zone. Hope we can get some luck here. Bang. In the water. Right on door. We've got a bait out. Oh, we're getting nibs, or are we? Positive signs on what's been a difficult day. Well, I still can't get over the loss. One of the best drones I've ever seen, the old Poseidon Pro 2. Yep, definitely a difficult day. Losing the Poseidon in the water right over there. Sent it out, dropped the bait fine. Halfway on the way back, just decided to fall in the water. So I don't know whether that was an engine failure, motor failure, I mean. But we move on. Right, well the first drop landed in the water and straight away we got monster bites, so I think we've just got time for one more. Lots of seaweed around, so let's hope we can navigate that. So we've got the old safety clip. Give that another crack. It's now on. Let's get a bait on. So I go pretty heavy with my poundage. I've got 200 pound on here. Massive overkill, but sick of the bust offs we had a while back, so let's get it out there. I like to go up to about 20 metres. About 25. We're going to hit that same spot again that we predefined. Off she goes. Keeping an eye on the height and the distance. This is our last drop. Successful drop. In relatively windy conditions, I think we're sitting at about 15 knot easterly right now. I'll be able to hear some of that wind on the mic. Oh, we're in the water. Oh, we're getting bites. Success. Can we still get a hook up? I feel weed all the way through my line now. Yes! We're actually on. This feels like a good fish. Let's go. Could we get something still? And what's been a real trying morning. Epic. He's trying to reef me. Got a good fish on. He's giving us a good battle. Oh yeah, head shakes. Let's go. After the morning we've had, a fish would be such a reward. Feels like there's some weight there. It's not far away, I don't think. Wait for this wave. There is seaweed everywhere. This will be our last chance. Can we get this boy in? There's a huge wave coming. Have we still got him on? Or is this just seaweed? Ugh. Could just be on the seaweed trail now. I think he's got off. No, we got him. He's a decent pinky. Can we land him? Yes, we can. Oh, there's two. It's a double header. Two snapper on one set of hooks. Are you kidding me? What? That is the most incredible hookup I think I've ever got. You've got to be kidding me. Oh. Whoa. Look at that. I think they're both size. A double hookup. No way. Absolutely stoked. Woo! Oh my god. So what have we got there? Yep, we've got a 47. 47, and we've got a 60. 66. Wow. Alrighty, now this one's undersized, so we have to let him go back. Unhook you, buddy. Get you a safe release, mate. Well, lots of seaweed out now. Thanks for tuning in, guys. That was a really tough day. Lost the Poseidon Pro. One of the motors failed and we couldn't recover it, so bit of a sad day. Luckily we were able to use the Airy Pro. Got a couple of baits out, and first time ever 2 fish on the one set of hooks. Absolutely amazing. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope for some more action shortly. See you again.